Let's say something that feels uncomfortable, but real. You're carrying more. More of the planning, more of the remembering, more of the responsibility. And it's not just physical, it's mental and emotional and invisible. And even if your partner is helping, you still feel like the default, the one it all falls back on. And that is exhausting. Today, we're talking about why this imbalance happens, why it's not always intentional, and how to start shifting it without turning your relationship into a constant argument. The default parent problem: most families have a default parent, the one who knows the schedule, tracks the needs, notices what's missing, anticipates what's next. Even when both partners work, one person becomes the system. And once that pattern is established, it becomes invisible, not because your partner doesn't care, because it's become normal. Why this happens. This isn't always about effort, it's about ownership. There's a difference between helping versus owning. Helping looks like, tell me what to do. Owning looks like, I'll handle this fully. Many partners help, but they don't own. So the mental load never leaves you. You're still managing, even when you're not doing. Why it feels so heavy? Because it's constant. You can't turn it off. Even when you sit down, your brain is still running. What's tomorrow? What did I forget? What needs to be handled? That's cognitive load. And when one person carries most of it, they don't just feel tired, they feel alone. Four-step load shift system. We don't fix this with frustration, we fix it with structure. Step one: identify one area to transfer, not everything. One category: school, bedtime, meals, appointments. Start small. Step two: transfer ownership, not tasks. Instead of, can you help with bedtime? Say, can you fully own bedtime this week? That includes planning, execution, adjustment. Ownership removes mental load. Step three: expect a learning curve. It won't look like you would do it. That's okay. Control keeps you overloaded. Allow differences. Step four: stop backtracking. Once you transfer something, don't take it back, even if it's imperfect. Consistency creates balance. Faith. Reset. You were not meant to carry everything alone. Partnership was designed for shared responsibility. Ask, God, help us build balance, not just survival. Balance is not automatic, it's intentional. Close. If you feel like you're carrying more, it's not in your head. But it also doesn't have to stay that way. Start small. Shift ownership. Release control. Subscribe if you're a working parent building a home that feels shared, not carried. We're building it here.